Let me explain again. Yeah, you don't stay here. So for connection, we have to understand most of conventional people how they do. They do push, pull. So only two things. So in a way, it's a three. So it's pushing, pushing away, and then as a hook. So the first push we call give. So you give your through the floor, through your tummy, through your spine. You give, project your weight to a partner. Then is a pushing away. Is like we already practiced. Push in, pushing away. So you send your hip back, and you still give your arm forward. And then if your partner send you back, or you want to go down, that's when you can do a balance. So if you demonstrate in this, so we connect. I push in. So he's coming into me. Now watch. I pushing away. Now from here, because I push away. Now here I get myself into the hook. Only after pushing away. Don't go push, hook. So you push, so you give. Now you push away, and that become hook. Now from here I go walk, walk. So here, as I finishing my weight through the split position, completing my weight, I'm pushing in. As I do hip twist, I'm pushing away because I need to have this leg here. And as I give away, I can have a hook, walk, walk, walk. The same here. Push, push away, and there's a little hook, walk, walk. That's the correct way to connect. Try that. That's that. So first you give. Before you even dance, tummy in here. So you have to give, give, give. And now he start moving, you're going to do delay walk. You're still giving and your chest forward. Now you're going to push away from him, and that pushing away will become a hook. So you're giving your elbow. Give your elbow here. Oh. So you push away, and that become a hook into run, run.